Hey guys, we're OneWiseLabs, and this is Airsoft Noob Stereotypes. Here we go! Oh, potato chips are my favorite. Cereal. Hey man.
Hello. I'm ready to play some Airsoft.
Oh, where's your gun?
Gun? I didn't need a gun, do I? Thought I was gonna go like, ha, gotcha, gotcha.
Let's go play some Airsoft.
So what do you have here?
Oh, it's my homemade landmine. What it is a mousetrap on top of a board. It's homemade. And so what you do is the enemy comes along and they come get your string and then they pull it and the babies shoot out at them.
You know you just killed yourself, right?
I don't think anybody saw that, so it doesn't count, right?
How did you say you loaded this thing again?
Oh, you put the BBs in the bottom.
Oh.
No, that's not how you do it.
It's not? Did I ruin my gun? No blind fire.
What if I get out from behind cover, I might get hit.
Oh my gosh, did I just see a minnow? Oh dude, look at here, there's a frog.
You guys, stay still, they're coming.
Do they see us yet?
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you would like to see our latest video, it'll be somewhere up here. And sorry we haven't got out a video for a while, but thank you for watching this one, and I'm doing a terrible job of this, aren't I?
What he means is he wants you to like the video.